Chose my career tech major because I'd worked on cars with my dad. Figured it'd be a good career field to go into.
The 2 years are here. The juniors will go through general maintenance, and we'll cover basically the whole car, like in the first semester of their junior year, just to get them familiar with all the components and stuff. When they come back as seniors, we go heavy into electrical.
All the basics of a car you learn here. At the end of this year, we get our ASEs, which is the big boy certification that makes us a mechanic, basically.
ASC is Automotive Service Excellence, and that's what pretty much all the companies that are out there, as a consumer, that's what you want to look for. Somebody's taken the time to study, take the test, be certified.
The best thing about MCCC is the ability to work while still in school. I have a job at Liberty Ford in Brunswick. Got it through the Career Center at the auto show. What I like about it is that helps you get training in the field, gets you into it, since it's kind of hard to get in without experience. And they'll also help to pay to go to Ford Asset Training at Tri-C.
I like when the kids get really involved and they're learning something they really didn't know. And all of a sudden it's like a light bulb comes on and they take off with it. I like students that come here and they're motivated to be here. And I think that's one of the reasons why we had the last graduating class was 99% placement.